losses are not important. It's the outcome which is important.
The Chief of Defence Staff, General Anil Chauhan, speaks out on Operation Sindoor. Days after his interviews to foreign media admitting some initial losses, General Chauhan explained why these losses did not matter.
Losses are not important. It's the outcome which is important. I think it's a professional force that is not affected by setbacks or kind of losses, if you may say, because in war, what is important is, even if there are setbacks, you need to maintain your morale. That morale is to remain high. And then, of course, is adaptability. That is an important constituent of a very professional force. You should be able to understand what went wrong, rectify your mistakes, and go out again.
Speaking at the Savitribai Phule Pune University on Tuesday, the CDS elaborated on the gains made by the Indian forces.
Operation Sindoor created a kind of a history of sorts as far as air warfare is concerned. Successful operations were carried out against an adversary which was almost equally matched, if you can say. It is not operations against an adversary which had no air force or no air defense worth its salt. So it was against an adversary, and against that, if you are able to carry out relentless operations deep inside with precision and offensive in intent, I think that was a big achievement. And we were able to penetrate those air defense networks with impunity and at will.
General Chauhan revealed how India had called Pakistan's nuclear bluff.
Now Pakistan is faced with a different kind of a prospect that he faces military action in case we find terror happening against us. India is not going to live under the shadow of terror and neither nuclear blackmail.
CDS General Chauhan asserted that Operation Sindoor met its objectives. The question remains, has Pakistan learnt its lessons? India's new terror doctrine is crystal clear. Any terror act will be treated like an act of war. Bureau Report, India Today.